Okay, now they're on. It's synced to the radio station. That's cool.
Oh, yeah, that's cool.
That's cool.
Perfect timing, good song. Yeah. See, all the ones. Even the one up on top.
Yeah, 3 of them, right? Sisters.
Yeah.
Alright, let's try. I told the witch doctor I was in love with you. I told the witch doctor I was in love with you. And then the witch doctor, he told me what to do. He said that...
The tree turned off.
Very good, boys.
Oh, that's why they got the color. Alvin, Theodore, and Simon.
Did you see the mouth coordinated to the
Yep.
singing?
Yep.
Ooh, ee, ooh, ah. Ding, ding. Ding, ding. We should know these words.
Now you've been keeping love from me just like you were a miser. And I'll admit I
See, even the rip over there, the rip signs are
the-
synchronized.
Ah.
found myself and I get so much wiser. And he taught me the way to win your heart.
Do they play the radio when it's Halloween? Like outside?
No,
No.
you have to synchronize.
Yeah.
Oh, so you have to play your own radio. So they'll just turn it on and sit here.
Yeah.
So you'll hear the band, because then they would just override the band inside the Grim Reaper.
The whole house has the synchronized lights.
So you'll have to drive